Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how we can create custom views. We can create custom views in any module of our choice, but for now, I'll be working on the leads module from the top left corner in the leads module. Click on the drop down menu, which is currently all leads is selected. Click on the all leads drop down, and from here you will see new custom view. Just click on it. Just after clicking on the new custom view, this is the time for us to decide the name of the view and specify the criteria on which the basis of we can create a custom view. So let's do it with an example. Let's suppose I want to filter out emails which contains gmail.com in them. First of all, assign a name to the view. Let's suppose I'm going to give it the name of Gmail. And the criteria is either we can directly select from here or we can select from search box. We want to filter leads which contain gmail.com, so select email and select the criteria, which is not, contains, doesn't contain, starts with, ends with, empty, is not empty. These are all type of criteria we can apply. For now we'll apply contains. Email contains gmail.com. All the emails which will contain gmail.com will be listed out here. Just after clicking the criteria, we can add more criteria from this plus button if we want to create a different view with more criteria. Just after specifying the criteria, click on the save. You can see that all the leads containing gmail.com in them are now listed here in the Gmail view. This was all about how we can create custom views. Thanks for watching.